Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing another interesting and important retirement topic for anyone nearing retirement, and that's how to save extra money for retirement. So if you're earning an average salary and looking to better your financial future, this video is for you. Saving for retirement is a challenge many of us face, but with the right strategies, it's entirely possible to build a comfortable nest egg. Today we'll focus on typical ways individuals earning an average salary can save more money for retirement by budgeting your personal finances. First, start with a retirement plan. Determine how much you'll need to cover your living expenses, healthcare, and leisure activities. Having a clear goal in mind will guide your saving strategy. In the US, consider using your 401k contributions, especially if your employer offers a match. This is essentially more money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. In Australia, take full advantage of the superannuation guarantee, where your employer contributes a percentage of your salary into your super fund. If you are in Canada, look into the Canada Pension Plan or the Registered Retirement Savings Plan. Additionally, creating a detailed budget is pivotal. List all your income sources and expenses. Make sure to include every essential and discretionary expense. This helps you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. For instance, cutting down on dining out, shopping, or unnecessary services can free up extra money that can be redirected towards your retirement savings. Remember, every dollar saved now can make a huge difference in the future. Next, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your retirement accounts to ensure you're consistently saving. This helps you stay disciplined and avoid the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Furthermore, using budgeting apps can be a game changer in managing your finances. These tools help you track your spending, set financial goals, and adjust your budget as needed. They provide a clear overview of your financial health and keep you on track. Also, regularly review and adjust your budget. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Make it a habit to reassess your budget and savings goals to ensure they align with your current situation. In addition to budgeting, consider diversifying your investments. A mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets can help balance risk and reward, potentially enhancing your returns over time. You should also stay informed about your retirement accounts and any changes in the financial landscape. Being proactive and knowledgeable about your investments can help you make better decisions. By understanding how to save more money for retirement and implementing effective budgeting strategies, you can build a secure and comfortable future. It's all about making smart financial choices and staying committed to your plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you next time.